We are back, another episode of Under 2 Minutes, and today we're going to be going over the Pathfinder tool. Now, Pathfinder encompasses a lot of options, so we're going to kind of go one at a time, break down each option, what each can do, so by the time we're done, you're going to understand Pathfinder. Now, there's two ways to access Pathfinder. You can either have multiple objects selected, and then Pathfinder will pop up in your properties panel. Or if you want to make it a little bit easier, you can go to Window, go down to Pathfinder, and then click it. It will bring a flyout menu with all your Pathfinder options here. So today we're going over Pathfinder Unite. Now this kind of does the same role that the shape builder tool does. We discussed this last time, so I'll just jump right in and show you. Now, with Pathfinder Unite, you need to have two objects overlapping. So let's move this circle onto this square here. Now, since these two are overlapping, we want to unite these and make this the same shape. We could have done that with the shape builder tool and then dragging over and it would combine them, but a simpler way is Pathfinder. So if I just highlight both of these and then click on Unite, it has now combined both shapes and made this a single object. There we go. Pathfinder Unite. Very easy.